G'day, I'm Peter Fritz and welcome to my channel. I'm a professional photographer in my 50s living in Melbourne, Australia. I shot my first of many magazine covers at the age of 18 before travelling the country for 30 years shooting cars, motorcycles and people for magazines, manufacturers and other businesses. My greatest love though has always been landscapes, and so today that's pretty much all I shoot. If you enjoy getting outdoors with a camera and photographing nature's incredible beauty, then this just might be the right channel for you. What you'll find here are new videos each week about getting outside and using landscape photography as the perfect way to de-stress, get some fresh air in your lungs and create images that make you happy. I take you with me on location and explain how and why I shoot the way I do. Sometimes I do non-technical in-the-field gear reviews, but mostly it's me, my four-wheel drive and my camera amongst the beautiful Australian bush. I promise this is a hype-free, bullshit-free channel that's honest, blunt, and easy to watch. So if that sounds like your brand of Shiraz, then make sure you subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Until next week, bye for now. See ya. Alrighty, let's put you to bed, mister.